Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I am doing a video for Evelyn. And hi Evelyn. And she asked what else we could use instead of Stabilo all pencils because she sees a lot of people using them and she doesn't have them. And wanted to know what we could use in place of them. Well, today I'm going to show you the Reeves water-soluble wax pastel set. You can get them at Staples, your craft stores, your Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, online, so you could get them anywhere. I will link down below to Amazon if they have them available. And here I'm showing you I have a orange and a blue Stabilo all. And I'm going to scribble and show you, how they work. I mean, they work just like a watercolor pencil, except they write on anything. They write on plastic. They'll write on your acrylic, on top of your acrylic paint, glass, all the things, wood. So they're very handy. But for drawing or marking on your canvas or your painting, art journal page, art ATC card, whatever you're using, use these. Like I said, they're Reeves water soluble wax paint, wax pastels, and they do wonderful. Now I'm going to show you. I used those. I'm going to use black from the Reeves, and I'm going to draw, and then I'll use another color. Now, as you can see, I have a puddle of black sitting there, and what that is a where I just took my wax pastel and smushed it on my nonstick mat, and you can use wax paper, parchment paper, whatever you want, and I like to use it as different things on my mixed media. So a lot of people are like, clean off your palette, clean off your desk. But a lot of times that paint you see are just different colors of a water-soluble substance that I can use, on layers of my mixed media, which I love. One thing, when you're using anything water-soluble and you want to work on top of it, just spray your Krylon fixative, or you can use the Mod Podge Ultras. You can use those as well. Something that you can spray on that will adhere it so you can work on top. Now, I have videos about this over and over, and I know a lot of you are new to my channel. Hi and welcome. And you want to know, instead of going back and watching older videos and that kind of thing. So I will be doing some updated videos coming up for all my new subscribers. So this is just what this is. So you can see I'm just drawing, and now I'm going to wet my brush, and it's going to reactivate that. You can also put that in a palette. Maybe you have a water color palette or some sort of palette, so you can do that in there and then, use it again and again. I'm lazy, I'll do it there. And I'm just going and drawing with it just to show you what you can do next. Just drawing. Okay, and you can see you can leave it dry, you can activate it, it doesn't matter. And you can also do that with the Stabilos where it's wet. You can go in and use that to draw on as well. And then I'm going to show you taking I'm activating the Stabilo all to show you that, it activates. These are really fun to play with, all of it. So what was it? Oh, so I'm going to do the magical thing and take it all off of my canvas to show you how water soluble they are. Now remember, this is before you use a fixative to fix it to your canvas. And I'm tongue-tied today. So yeah, I don't know. I'm talking there. Who the heck knows what I'm talking about? Okay, so now she's going to get the sponge. All right, now I have my sponge brush, and I'm just going to wet the whole surface and take everything off. So these are great for when you want to draw. You can use them in stamping. You can use them for marking. But sometimes I'll sit and draw, and I'll use the Stabilo alls, and I'll draw, or I'll use even a water soluble, like a Neo Color 2, or one of the portfolio oil pastels that are water soluble. There's so many things out there. And like I said, I'll do a quick video on them. But yeah, look how great. Everything's off. So, oh, I made a mistake. And now I can, you know, just go and take it off. And if I want to, I can continue to draw now and, you know, make a different face or do whatever. Like I said, these, I'm going to link Stabilos down below. I will link some colored ones and black ones. I have brown, orange, blue, red, black. And then I will link the water-soluble wax pastel set from Reeves if any of them are available on Amazon. I appreciate any of your support. So if you are looking to purchase them, please go through my Amazon link. I get a couple pennies for it. And I just really appreciate the support. But I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and leaving me a comment and thumbs up. That's supportive too. So I love it all. Okay, guys, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. And I really hope that you guys are staying safe and staying warm. The weather here in Jersey, we got quite a bit of snow yesterday and the day before. So we're digging out. Love you guys. Bye-bye.